So hey guys, I'm Janet Kaushik and welcome back to my channel. So here I have 1 cup of water and a Maggie, packet of Maggie. You can see it over here. So now that too, it has been 2 minutes now since our Maggie is getting boiled. Since our water is getting boiled. So now we are going to add our masala. So here I have Maggi masala and I'm going to pour 1 whole packet of this Maggi masala. And now we'll just mix it. So here I have a kadchi, here I have a mixing spoon. So now I'm going to mix this Maggi. So as you can see, I'm mixing this Maggi. So now we are going to cover it with the lid. So here I have a lid. No, wait. So here I have covered it with the lid. Oh, I'm so sorry. My gas stove has diffused itself. Now I have lighten up the gas stove once again. So now we'll wait for our Maggi to get boiled. Till then, here I have a pan and I have some bread over here. So now I am going for 2 slices of bread. So now we are going to cut it. Now we are going to cut its sides. So now I am cutting its sides because we don't need its sides. Just cut its sides. So now I have cut its sides. And now I am going to lighten up the second gas stove and I am now going to add some ghee or oil. So we'll add ghee. So now we can check our Maggi. Here I have a dry cloth. Looks yummy. So now we are going to mix our Maggi once. And now we'll proceed to our second pan, which has ghee over here. And now I'm going to add my bread. So sorry, my bread got little bit torn while cutting the sides. So now I'm doing the same thing with the second bread. I'm going to cut its sides. Till then our Maggi is getting ready. And now we'll just wait. Now our bread has gotten crispy. So now we'll take it off. First we'll slow the gas. Maggi is not ready. So now we'll take off our bread slices. And now we are going to put our second bread. As our first bread got torn, we are going to take another bread so that our sandwich should look nice. So now we'll mix the Maggi once. Now our Maggi is ready. So we'll switch off the gas stove. And now our Maggi is ready. So now we'll flip the bread and we'll let it cook. Till then I'm cutting my second bread. So over here I have some bread crumbs. We'll use it for later. Use it later for later use. So now since our Maggi is ready, so we'll just remove it from the kadhai and we'll place it on the plate. So now here is our kadhai. So now we'll place this bread and put our second bread. We'll add ghee again. We are going to add some ghee. Now we are going to flip this bread. Till then we can just put our Maggi in the fork. So here I have a fork and now I am placing this Maggi on this bread. I am going to spread it evenly. We are to use this whole Maggi and now let's see our bread. Amazing. Our second bread is also ready. So we'll switch off the gas stove. And now yes, I have placed the Maggi all over the bread. Now we are going to give some touch up. So now I am going to add some little bit of sauce. One packet. So here I have placed the bread and the sauce, and now I'm going to spread the sauce evenly. And now it's time for the second bread. Looks so crispy. Wait, before adding the bread, we can add some cheese if you want, but I don't have cheese right now. So until then I have placed the bread and on the top I have placed another layer of Maggi. see, as you can look how nice it's looking. So over here I have some grated cheese, and now I'm going to add some grated cheese. Fresh Maggi sandwich with cheese. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Janet Foodster. So here I have added some oregano. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel Janet Foodster.